disease we see in this country, but you find this commonly in sheep, goat, and basically farm animals, right? So, last on the list are these organisms here. They cause zoonotic respiratory diseases. In other words, we get them from animals. So we just saw this one. This could be a zoonosis also, all right, because we can get this from farm animals. Q fever caused by Coxiella burnetii. But the prime ones, they cause walking pneumonia, not very serious infections compared to what we talked about before with TB and Streptococcus pneumonia. This is a bit of phyllocydicide causes psittacosis or ornithosis and chlamydia pneumoniae. The link to these organisms is this. They're present in the bird droppings of psittacine birds. So think about turkeys, seagulls, parakeets, parrots. If you look at their stool, you can find this organism in here. All right, so that disease is called ornithosis. You guys probably noticed ornithology is the study of birds. All right, so ornithosis is a zoonotic disease caused by Chlamydia psittacine. Now, the last on the list back here is Bacillus anthracis. Oops, sorry. So I'm not going to say much about anthrax till we get to chapter 13. All right, here's why. That's a soil-borne organism. But anthrax has three different forms. Cutaneous, inhalation, which we're looking at respiratory disease, and then intestinal anthrax. So I'm not going to look at this here. We're going to look at this later on. All right, so we just completed this chapter. Yeah, those tables I mentioned, they're pretty good to help you study. Remember what I'm interested in. Names of organisms, disease they cause, signs and symptoms. All right, age groups, like we talked about rheumatic fever, younger kids. We talked about TB, older people, immunocompromised people. And then, of course, we talked about the mechanism for those diseases, all right? And then, yeah, that's it. So we're going to have a quiz on Monday on just this chapter, all right? Okay, guys, it's 3:55. We still have 5 minutes.